A warm-up allows the body to increase the volume of oxygen intake before an event. This means that the dominant energy source will change for the main activity, as the anaerobic energy system will be dominant in the warm-up, not the main exercise. This will in turn reduce the oxygen deficit, as the aerobic exercise will be dominant much faster when starting the exercise. This will help to speed up recovery, because there will be less lactic acid being produced by the body, meaning less acidity and less waste products to expel, meaning a faster recovery. And the reason there's less lactic acid is due to there being less of a dominant source of energy within the first couple of minutes of exercises. The aerobic exercise is the dominant source. A cool down is also very beneficial to speed up recovery for performers. A cool down helps to gradually reduce the circulation in the body whilst still maintaining it, and also the same with ventilation. A cool down means that there will be more oxygen in the body that can be sent to the muscles, and also a maintained breathing rate will mean that more waste product can be expelled before building up. Cool down and speeding up recovery is the skeletal muscle pump. Now, if you were to exercise and then stop with no cool down, this can cause pooling of the blood in near the legs, whereas the skeletal muscle pump is in practice when in a cool down. This means that the muscles in the leg, especially the calf, helps to squeeze the blood up through the leg against gravity, which means that there is a good circulation of blood around the body, and it means that there's no pooling of blood. Also, the cool down helps to flush capillaries with fresh oxygen and also maintains venous return, and it can also reduce DOMS as more waste products are being expelled from the body. However, it is also important to note that there are alternative ways to aid recovery, such as cryotherapy. Cryotherapy is a pain treatment method that uses localized freezing temperatures to help speed up recovery for performers. It aims to reduce inflammation, blood flow, and pain, helping to speed up recovery. Massage is another aid of recovery and helps to speed up the recovery by relaxing the muscle tissue. Massage helps to increase the blood flow and thus increasing the circulation, helping to expel more waste products and transport more useful products, which helps to increase recovery.